This is not just a mountain. This is Arunachala, a place where silence spoke louder than words and where seekers disappear into enlightenment. Welcome back, self-love beings. Today, I'm climbing the Arunachala mountain, not for an adventure, but to uncover secret caves where saints meditated for decades and where Ramana Maharshi transformed lives in complete silence. Stay till the end. One cave here shook me to the core. We have just started the climb, maybe 400 meters in, and already Arunachala is revealing secrets. I reached the Jeeva Samadhi of Jatai Swami Gyanadesigal, a yogi who meditated here for 45 years and attained mukti right inside this cave in 1927 on 5th December. Beside the cave there is a small temple with a lingam and deities praying to the lingam. You have beautiful murals on the walls of the ashram. Also, they offer Annadanam to anyone during their food offering timings. Free food for all daily, which is a blessing for travel seekers like myself. Further from here, the energy only gets more intense as we climb towards Ramana Maharshi's legendary Virupaksha Cave. This is where Ramana Maharshi meditated for years in silence, and in that silence, realization happened. Further down, enjoy the viewpoint and an amazing view of the Arunachaleshwara temple. From here you can see the entire town bowing to the mountain, and the Arunachaleshwara temple appears like a map of devotion. If you ever felt called to Arunachala, comment Har Har Mahadev below. Then we reach the mango tree cave. I love the vibe here, more relaxed and more cooling. Then explore the Annapurneshwari temple, and you can also find Saptamatrikas as well. Just inside the cave is where Ramana Maharshi spent around 6 years after enlightenment. As you enter, you will find pictures of Ramana Maharshi, Kavyagantha Ganapati and other spiritual figures of the time. And just inside is the actual summer cave of Ramana Maharshi, with a Shiva lingam along with deities like Adi Parashakti, Narasimha, Hanuman and also murtis of Shiva and Durga, all sitting together like a cosmic family. Every step here feels watched, not by people but the presence of Shiva itself. Just next to the cave is another amazing place called the Mahalingeshwara temple, also dedicated to Lord Shiva. From here the trail becomes more wild, forest on both sides, stones under the feet, and the constant feeling that Shiva is literally everywhere on the path. Now we are at the Gugai Namachivayar. Gugai means cave in Tamil. Let's go inside. This place holds the Jeeva Samadhi of Namachivayar, a renowned yogi who is believed to have met Shiva here. Inside, there is a small cave with a Shiva lingam. Personally, this is the most powerful cave I have experienced in Thiruvannamalai. The air here is more cool and fresh than the town, but drinking water is a hard find. The monkeys here are friendly until they see your water bottle. Then suddenly you're the guest and they become the landlords. We now enter the Virupaksha Cave. From 1888 to 1916, Ramana Maharshi meditated here. Then we reach the Skandashram. Here, Ramana Maharshi meditated from 1916 to 1922, and here is where his mother got enlightened by a single touch of Sri Ramana Maharshi. Access to the very top of the hill is restricted and generally is allowed only during the Kartika Deepam festival. Honestly, the whole experience of the trek felt like walking through a living scripture. Hope you also enjoyed this spiritual adventure through this travel vlog. In the next episode, we will explore the Giri Pradakshina, a 14-kilometer walk around the mountain, alongside visiting the Ashtalingam temples and many other temples on the way. Arunachala does not give you answers, it removes your questions. Comment below if you liked the video. Har Har Mahadev! Till we meet next in the travel series from the land of fire, don't forget to shell yourself with some self-love. Take care for now. Cheers. See you in the vlog. Bye bye.